How to fix Samsung call screen off problem. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down to the very bottom and click on About Phone. Inside About Phone, scroll down and select the option Software Information. Inside this interface, you will see this option Build Number. Click the Build Number option exactly 7 times. Once you click this option 7 times, then you will need to enter your passcode. And after you enter your passcode, then the developer modes will be turned on. Click on OK to allow development settings. Once this is done, go back to your previous page. At the very bottom, you should see the developer options. Click on it and go inside. Here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you should see the option called Quick Settings Developer Tiles. Go to that option and turn on the option Sensors Off. Simply click on the switch icon to turn it on. Now go back to your home page and drop down the notification bar. Now here you should see this sensor off option. Turn on sensors off. After doing this much, give your device a quick restart, and once you restart your device, your problem should be fixed. So that's all for today. Thank you.